Hey guys, here we are. Finally, El Diablo Loco is getting to the point to where I can drive it and show it. Today is its first truck show ever. It's going to be exciting. Hardly no one's ever really seen it. It's been in my shop literally for 5 months. It's been a grueling 5 months on this truck. There's been so much process, so much work. And on these big trucks, they got some miles on them, you're going to run into problems. And we've been through the wiring, we've been through the axles, we've been through the inside of the truck. Like, I've literally rebuilt the whole truck, and it was a lot of work, so today it's going to be exciting to take it down there. I put this old bed on here that I got off the old truck, and I wanted to know if it would haul something heavy. Well, this iron rod that I'm taking to show it's got to be right around 12,000 pounds is what I'm estimating it at. And it pulled it right up on there, and I drove it home last night with no problem. So we're gonna go to the truck show and check it out and follow along. Okay guys, here we are at the Oktoberfest at the Orleans Hotel and Casino right here in Las Vegas. We brought the Diablo out here to reveal it along with a bunch of other trucks. The response on it's been great. Everybody loves it. They're digging the shit out of the interior, and now you can kind of see it with the red lights on. My little welder.
Oh shit.
That's for this truck.
What?
Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna fire up this, well, it's already fired up, this Kenworth, and he's got a 450 dirt bike on the back, and we're gonna just rev the Jake brake and do a burnout until the tire comes off. Let's see what happens. This truck is one that I will be driving. I'll be keeping it. I'm gonna be doing things with it. You will see it on the road. There will be a lot of YouTube videos with this truck in it, recovering, grabbing some other cars and having fun. So I'll see you on the road.